Welcome to Shri Sai Guru channel. This is Reshma. How are you everybody? Today one more question from the class 10th standard. Chapter name is surface area and volume. What is given question here? A solid iron core consists of cylinder of height 220 cm and base diameter measure 24 cm, which is surmounted by the another cylinder of height 60 cm and radius 8 cm. Find the mass of the core given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. Yes. First read the question and what is given in that question, and after that try to draw the diagram here. Dear student, we are given one solid pole which is the combination of the two cylinders. This way it is arranged. How like this? You have two cylinder of measurement. Upper cylinder has height 60 cm and radius 8 cm, and lower cylinder has height 220 cm and the diameter is given 24 cm. So this solid object we have to calculate its mass. So let us take this calculation. I will take here for cylinder. So which cylinder? Lower cylinder. Okay. Lower cylinder has more measurement. I mean its dimensions are larger than the first. So cylinder, lower cylinder, its height I am taking as h, that is 220 centimeter, and the diameter is given 24 centimeter. Then the radius which is represented by capital R. So to differentiate the radius and the height of the two cylinder. So for that reason I put capital H and capital R for bigger cylinder. The radius is how much? 24 divided by 2 gives 12 centimeter. And for one more cylinder, upper cylinder, this cylinder, its height is 60 centimeter and radius is directly given 8 centimeter. Okay, so we have to calculate the volume of these two cylinders. Yes, okay, let us continue. Yes, then volume of the pole is equal to sum of the volume of cylinder. Two cylinder, upper cylinder plus another lower cylinder. Yes, then that is, what is the volume of the upper cylinder? That is cylinder volume, you know. What is the volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h. What is r here? Okay, small r. Then h, small h, plus say pi r square h. So here radius r, and I am taken as smaller and capital R here. Then pi is common here. Pi is common. R square. What is R here? We have to see upper cylinder. R is 8 centimeter. 8 square into height is 60. Plus R, capital R means 12 square into height of the big cylinder is 220. So carefully we have to do this calculation. Yes, let us continue. Pi into 64 into 60 plus 12 square is 144 into 220. So on calculating here, 6 4s are 24, 6 is 36 plus 36 plus 2 is 38, that is 3840 plus 144 into 220 is how much? Should calculate that. 144 into 22. Yes, again 8, 16, 9 plus 2, that is 9, okay, 31,680. So here 10 is there, I will put like that. 31,680 is the volume of the second cylinder. I mean what this cylinder, which one? Big cylinder. Then 3840 plus 31,000. Okay, I have to add here. Yes, here only I am adding 3,840, which gives here 15, yes, 35,520. That is 35,520. That gives 35,500 into 25 centimeter cube is the volume of this pole. Just we calculated volume of the pole, correct? Then say we have to substitute the value of the pipe, that is 35,520 into 3.14. That gives here, I did here the calculation, that gives 1115328. Yes, that is 1115328 centimeter cube. Once again I will check 1115328. Yes, centimeter cube. Yes. Then you are given the mass of the 1 centimeter cube. It is given that 1 centimeter cube of the iron has approximate 8 gram as a mass. That means the mass, whenever the mass is 8 gram, its volume is what? 100 centimeter cube. For 1 centimeter cube volume, the mass of the pole is how much? 8 gram is given. For this much mass, for this much volume, what will be the mass? So we have to multiply by 8 here. So let us continue next. It is given mass for 1 centimeter cube volume of the iron pole is equal to 8 gram. So therefore for this much 1115328 centimeter cube, that is 11,50,328 centimeter cube. This is the volume. So we have to multiply by 8. For 11,50,328 volume, what will be the mass? Means you have to multiply from 8. The mass is equal to, this is centimeter cube. The mass is equal to, you should multiply. Yes, that is 1115328 into, we should put comma also, into 8. That gives here, that gives 892160. 892160 gram. So we got answer in terms of the gram, and we have to convert this in terms of the kg. Yes. So 1 kg is equal to how much gram? 1000 gram. So we should convert this in terms of the kg. So how it is? We have to divide this number. Divide from 1000. So we got here 8. So we have, where we have to put the point here. Yes, from the right side leaving 3 digit. So that is 892 from 1.160. That is 892 point. Answer 892.16 kg is the mass of this pole. Yes, dear student, do practice. Okay. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe Shri Sai Guru channel. Thank you.